This is a generator we've had for probably 20 years. It's been out in the barn, and I would go by and crank it every now and then, but I ain't cranked it in probably 6 or 8 months, and the spiders and bugs and everything else has got on it. Made a Jim Dandy mess, so I'm gonna pressure wash it and then check all the, I don't think it's got no gas in it. Ain't got no gas in it. But check the oil and get a close up of how nasty it is right there. Some people like to see something get pressure washed. I do when somebody else is doing it. See, we got some stuff called eco something other, biodegradable whatnot. See how it does. Look at there.
Need some more paint, looks like. Wash it off. You washed the paint off.
Yeah. It wasn't me. It was the one-armed man. Got somebody mad over there. Look at that gate.
Missed a spot.
I probably missed a bunch. almost as clean as the day it rolled out of the Republic of China. Wherever it comes from, I ain't sure. When it don't say made in the USA, makes you wonder. They ought to be proud to cry that out. This dude right here was an orphan that me and Lula raised. He's pretty.
I can't believe his mama didn't want him. He's so precious.
He's been playing in that fresh hay over there. Let me dump him some feed up before I let him in there. He'll run over me trying to get to the bowl.
He's ready to go, getting his little hole under the barn. What's Hershey get today?
Corn, whole corn.
He loves it. Over there waiting at the gate.
Y'all hush up.
Waiting to come in.
All the rest of y'all be quiet. Line up single file. Watch him, boys. He's a fairly dangerous man.
He's a little bit more spoilt than the rest of them.
Move around. Let me see. Let me see your foot. Let me see it. Let me see your foot. You're good. I don't know if he let me pick up his back foot or not. He might kick me.
He usually lets you.
Back in the day, old Jared could trim him. We got a video somewhere when he was just a pup. He's starting to get his old hump. Now that they're importing beef, he'll be worth about $12. He wasn't planning on going nowhere no way, so it don't matter.
He's priceless on our little farm.
He ain't bothered nobody.
He's rotten. He ain't gonna hurt. He ain't hurting a thing. Are you, buddy? Not hurting nothing.
My old buddy down the road, he's about as good as they come. Old Dennis, he says that he don't bother nobody. That's a gold standard for people around here. As if you don't bother nobody, you're good. Dennis said he don't bother nobody. Well, that's his way of saying he's all right, fella. I guess if he's bothering somebody, he's not okay. Drag this generator at the house, see what we can do with it. Tried pulling it a while ago and it like took my shoe off, so I reckon I'll push it.
I would help, but I'm recording.
It's all right. This kind of only got one handle on it, so I reckon that's all it'll do. I'm gonna pour some gas in it. Turn the spigot on. See if it'll crank. We'll see.
Ain't got no gas.
Ain't got no gas in it.
This is what type of generator it is.
Non-ethylene. Non-ethylene. Come on now. Too expensive to be running all over the place.
That's true. Somebody needs to get the gas prices down.
Be nice if while they're supposedly going to lower beef prices, if they'd go ahead and wave a wand over the gas pump. We ain't put out fertilizer yet because it got high. Lobsters, crabs, go ahead and bring it all down. Don't be mean. Be equal. Be an equal opportunity defender. Let me grab some helper.
It ain't
Some brake cleaner or something.
boys.
Yeah, it should be full of oil, but I'm gonna check it anyway. It's liable just to fire up and go. And it won't fire up and go if it's low on oil. We'll put some in it just for the heck of it. And don't fill up all the way to the snout like the rest of them. It acts right. I might change the oil in it. That's good enough. Good as snuff, not near as dusty. It was only about 3 gallons low. Let's give it a little love right there, I reckon. Try opening the choke. Get some in there. Make sure it's on. It is. We killed a black widow in this thing.
Probably more than one.
Let's check for spark. That'd be the next thing to look for. It's supposed to light up if you got spark. We'll see.
What is it? Do you put it in the place of the spark plug?
You just put it on the spark plug.
Oh.
In between it.
What does that thing look like? Let me see. Hold it up so we can see what you got.
Harbor Freighter. Put one in there. Other end on your spark plug. Now you have to watch right there. Tell me if you see anything. Excuse me.
Nope.
Apparently we ain't got spark, so let's check that. I worked for a feller down in Arcadia, Florida. That was my first job out the gate. The real world was a mechanic. He said, you get gas and you get fire, something will happen. May not be in the order you wanted it to. May backfire, may cough and sputter, but something will give. Now, let's see. That's a bigger spark plug. Most of the time they're either 13/16 or 5/8. But I ain't gonna wager the farm on neither one. I need a little extension. And yet that one won't go on. I'm gonna have a little nub one. Maybe not.
Not cooperating, is it?
Nope.
Did you get it?
I wanna working on it. Something's turning. That spark plug is that long.
No gas drip down there, right?
Mm-hmm. All right. And you can watch it, see if you see a spark come off of that. Are we back in?
Don't see
Sure
nothing.
don't see nothing. Let's try a different plug.
Let me get on this side. Hold on. Knitting.
I don't think we got that on either one.
Do it again.
So, I don't think it's the plug.
Pull it again.
I thought I saw
I
something
see
that time.
spark. I was gonna get it on video.
You get a plug that goes in it. See how
Thought I saw a spark one time. Did you? Yeah, I see. Yeah, it's sparking.
okay. Squirt a little juice down in the hole, spark plug hole. Put this back in there. That's the idea anyway.
Do I need to do it? My little hand?
Let me
Huh?
give it one more try.
There's one of the varmints that was on it. We pressure washed it. Black widow.
Hmm.
Let me see if I can get it started with my little big fingers.
Try it one more time before I give it. I'm not giving up. Yep. It's not giving. Can't get the camera in there very good, so I don't know. Feels like it won't start, but then not. And it wants to strip that head. Did you get?
I did get it.
You're seeing live action. You may not see it live, but live action of a spark plug being put back in the hole. And
Tight as I can get it.
we did figure out that it is. She's flashing gang signs.
I got dirt.
We did find out that it's sparkling. Hang on, I'm gonna put this camera back over to Lula. I need one of them things that
What things?
picks the motor up in there so I ain't got to bend over. These things here is pretty handy. I got this at a yard sale.
What is it? Let me see the reel. Let me see what it says.
Leads that you can retract out, make them touch something other.
Get a hammer and bang on it.
It might need a little tappy tap. There's a hammer right here.
What does that do now?
Nothing. Just makes you feel better.
It makes that float release. Sometimes.
Well, it's got some fuel because I squirted some of this in it. That should have made it go.
It ain't having none of it.
Ain't having none of it. Try it with the choke on.
Ain't getting no gas.
Ain't get no gas in it.
That's how it wants to. But nope.
Time to take the carburetor off. You know it's getting fire, so the next thing's gas.
What is it that you're doing now?
I'll take this air box off so I can get to the carburetor. Usually what I gotta do when it sets up a while. That's my fault. I used to crank it. Use it out the wood shop just to let it run. I ain't done that in a while. Let's see. Something a little bigger now. That fan pointing in the wrong direction. But you know, that ain't gonna reach it. All right. We got a treatment for that.
It not wanting to cooperate.
Having none of it don't look like. So we need a 3/8 wrench. Or probably a 10 millimeter. Yeah, 10 millimeters is what we're looking for. move all this just in the event that it cranks up, it don't throw everything. Where's my brake cleaner at? Let me try something else. A pair of pliers. Getting guys to there. That ought to made it fire there. Something's still going on with the firing.
So what now? You take that off?
Taking this plug back out.
Kind of different spark plug. I'm way over here because he done got gas on the ground. You can do there no sparking.
Come on now. You got wars to start over in Afghanistan.
Wrap the end of the lead around that tire, back side of that tire.
Mm-hmm.
Put that lead on. There you
go. That was sparking pretty good. Let's see what the original was like. Not very good. Engine around it. Let's hook up this spark thing and see if we see it sparkle. Yep, I saw it.
Huh? I didn't see it. Do it again. I'm gonna get it on video. ain't picking up nothing.
Well, I saw one spark and it quit. Seen it then, did you? Just take my word for it.
Coffee.
One time.
There it goes. Oh. I don't like the fire part.
Can't hang around me then. Hose right here. Goes on that thing.
What is it?
There's a hose that comes out of the valve cover that goes into the breather. You can he'll run without it if I want to in there.
What happened to it?
Run it off.
Burned it off. We've had this a minute.
We moved up here in 2005. We bought it shortly after we got here. It's 21 years old this month. We bought it August of 2005.
Comes in handy when the power's out.
What?
Said it comes in handy when the power's out.
Yep.
Don't throw that on me. Trying to get the choke thing lever fixed on there right.
That's full on choke there. When you push it back, it'll take it off. I might have got it then. I think I got it that time. Where's that plate? We gotta put. Yeah, missing boots. I need, there it is, a 10. Let's see what it does. Oh, where are you going?
Out here away from fire.
Huh?
Out here away from fire.
It ain't. I want to try something. I'm going to put the breather and all back on. It'll be a lot quieter. Ain't long enough. Guess what? That valve cover's hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Take my word for it. Okay. Now We got vacuumization. This fall off you.
Came out your nose.
I just blowed it a while ago. That's where that spider come from. Need them. Ding.
Did one of these sponges go behind there?
No, they go in front of it. That might work. Don't try this at home. You bow up on them, you break them off.
Don't let me do it.
Huh?
Don't let me do it.
Yep. Okay. Clean these up, put them back on, see how it acts. That felt better. It should be a lot quieter now. Let's see.
Let's see.
This one snuck.
What?
I had to put this cutoff on it because the aluminum one underneath there, it broke off the valve. So it's on all the time. So what I like to do is, I'll show you in a minute. Well, I may not show you, but I like to run it until all the gas is out of that carburetor. I'll run it. Then when it starts coughing and hacking, I'll choke it, make it finish it on out.
You gonna crank it up? See
Yep.
how quiet it is? You gonna start it back up? Or?
Yep.
Run the gas out of it.
So I guess what we figured out on this one is that it had a fouled plug in it. But that may have been from washing it or something. I don't know, but it wasn't sparking. Got another plug out of the toolbox. Fired off, went running pretty good. That's another one down. I'm gonna leave it in here until I can put some paint on that.